So I heard about this Indian healing clay. I'm not gonna lie, I heard about it on BuzzFeed, even though it's super popular and all over the place. But they talked about it for skin. As you can see, I have some marks. This is a pimple. I have really red skin. I have rosacea. So I wanted to try it. My skin is actually like okay right now. It's usually way worse than this. Usually I have like big bumps everywhere. Anyway, so I was really insecure about this one that doesn't go away. It was like black. I want to try this, but I saw videos of it all over YouTube about how it can help your hair. And let me just say, I was born with curly hair, but it has so much damage now, it's kind of like a wavy mess. And I like the messy look, but I don't like the frizz. Like, you can see that, can't you? Look at that. It's so, like, dumb. Dumb. Good describing words. My hair before. Let's see if I get a more defined curl or less frizz. That's a lot of frizz. I don't think it's usually that frizzy. I just like wet it this morning and that's it. I didn't put any product or anything. Got this mixing bowl. If you've seen all the reviews online like I have, they say don't use metal because this is gonna suck out all the metals and you don't want it to suck out the metal from your bowl or your spoon or your fork. Have your hair damp before you put it in. I'm gonna put in a little virgin, half clay, and the other half will be apple cider vinegar. I kind of wanted to put in some water because I know this is strong, but we'll just see what happens.
Ever since the day that you went away.
It's a pretty cool sound.
Flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me.
Well, since it's super full, I'm gonna put it in like this, and it looks like an okay consistency. We're gonna find out. I heard online that the clay in general is really messy. I'm gonna use a towel, and I'm separating my hair into 4 parts right now just to make it a little easier, even though that's not really my style, but I heard that online. You should do that. This towel is gonna get ruined. I'm about to wash towels like right now, so it's okay. Oh gosh. It's not a spritz, it's like one of those that just sprays straight. Always comb your hair out because you don't want tangles when you're putting this stuff on or any kind of like hair dye. You want it to be able to reach every hair follicle. This is the consistency we're left with. It's still like really fizzy kind of. It feels like kind of air, not air. It looks thick, but it's not, okay? It looks gross. I'll probably stop using this brush soon. I wanted to use my hands. I thought about using gloves, but since it's supposed to be good for your skin, you know, I'll use my hands. This is gonna be such a mess. It's like snot. Do you see any definition? Because I don't. You know, everybody I saw online doing this had a different type of hair than me. Different hair type. So, like within 30 seconds, they saw their curls defining more. I wasn't really expecting that, but it would be cool to see. I actually, like, yesterday was thinking about doing a keratin treatment, and then I kind of like got mad at myself. Like, I should embrace my curls. And I remembered I had this product, and I was waiting like for the weekend to use it. So let's just try to make a good curl, and then we'll resort to formaldehyde. I can feel the healing effects of the clay minute by minute. Just kidding. I don't feel anything. Girl, I look hot. I should dye my hair like booger green. It's not curly. It's not curling though. Let's just keep going. Wouldn't it be cool if my hair was straight after this? Oh no. No. Wish I had a friend to do the back of my head. But I think clay will wash off, right? Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Elbow room. Okay, that is not fully saturated. So if you have longer hair than me, my hair's pretty short. Society standards, I'd use a bigger bowl. This is just like a hair dye bowl. Because I'm already like halfway. Yeah, more than halfway done. Fuck, I forgot to wet my hair. Can I still wet it? I think I forgot to, that one in my ear. I think I forgot to wet the other side too. This is so like, I'm so not prepared. Yeah, that feels better. Should I like try to like, you know, curl my hair a little with the product in it? So I'll do the back of my head, let it be like curled up, and then the front will be straight. We'll see if there's a difference. Because I don't think this is gonna brush out, to be TBH. Probably not a good idea to rub like your oily hair and then rub it all over your face. This is supposed to suck out all the impurities. I heard to put a very small layer because it takes forever to dry. Heal me, heal my skin. Feels really good. I cannot wait to take a shower. And just like wash all of this off, and it better not clog my drain. I guess that's the risk you have to take. So these are my problem areas right here because of my hair. I hope this helps my hair be less greasy. I actually have a good amount left. I am already not putting on a thin layer. Will it get rid of my wrinkles? How do I look? Let's do a thumbnail. I'm green. It feels really good. It smells not unbearable, but it feels like really smooth. I can kind of feel it starting to harden at the bottom. This is a look. I feel like almost like Princess Leia, or what's that guy's name? Jabba the Hutt realness. Yoda realness here. So I cleaned off some of my supplies and it washed off really well so far. I haven't washed this part off, so actually there's a little trace of it. And now it's gone. It washes off really well, so if you wash it fast, I'm sure it'll be fine. I looked online to see how long you're supposed to leave this on. Someone said 5 minutes, don't let it dry. Someone said 45 minutes to an hour. So I'm definitely gonna let my face dry before I wash it, and it feels really gross to me, so I want to shower already, but I'm gonna try to wait as long as possible. I give myself 30 minutes, so I'm just gonna go like watch a show or something to keep busy because it's feeling like really sticky. Ow. Job of the Hutt realness is over. I'm gonna go shower in 3, 2, 1. So here you have it. It's pretty much dry. So I'm gonna say it felt so heavy in the shower and it felt so dirty. So it still felt really greasy. This stuff's supposed to clean your hair, take out all the toxins. It felt really greasy, so I shampooed, I conditioned, I washed my face like normal. As you can see, I have some marks. Do you see a difference? I feel like my pimple got smaller. That is more like pink instead of black, maybe. I don't know. I gotta check. I have to check the footage. My curl. It's a little defined, I guess. Let me just say, I was born with curly hair, but it has so much damage now. I guess it's less frizzy. I put some leave-in conditioner. That's all I put in it. Just a little bit while it was still wet. I can live with this. So it feels like really thick, especially in the shower. It felt really, really thick, which I've always had thick hair, but it just felt extra, extra thick now. It feels good. It feels healthy. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, now that I think about it, like the ends have been so dead because they're fried and I dye them a lot. There's still split ends, but it feels much softer. Should I check and see if I have any tangles? I'm not going anywhere. Why not? Pretty good. Okay, there's still some tangles, but it's curly hair. That's to be expected. And before I brushed it and it was still wet, the front hairs were really curled up, like really tight. I don't know. My skin feels tight, definitely my cheeks. For a while, I still smelled apple cider vinegar. I haven't smelled it lately though. I might have gotten used to the smell, but I think it looks good. Definitely less frizz. A little better. Usually they're really messy, so what is this? So I guess they're okay. Definitely feels softer and more luscious and vivacious. I'm happy with it. Did it do something? I think it did. I think it did. It's not like a huge life-changing experience, but I definitely feel less frizz, and that's what I was worried about, so happy. Give it a try. Hi, Justin. Goodbye, guys.